back to Ali and Nesh Edits.
Oh yeah. I was like,
Ali?
Is it me?
Ali, are you...
Sorry.
Have I got something in my teeth?
No, you haven't. Alright. No. That's something for you to say. Obviously not, I'm Ali, but you know, such a donut, sorry. Such a donut.
I was like, I don't want to say
Yeah.
you're Ali.
Okay.
Like
I can't wing anyway, so I would be the one that goes.
Donut, literally.
No. I'm Ali. I've had 2 coffees. What's
That was
wrong
like
with me?
tumbleweed.
Maybe it's maybe because I've had 2 coffees.
Hi everyone, welcome back. This is Ali and Nesh Edits.
I'm Ali.
And I'm Nesh. This week, we got the giggles now, haven't we?
Yeah.
This week we wanted to show you how to be party ready,
Yeah.
makeup party ready in 10 minutes. I went out last night.
Yeah.
It was
and you had 10 minutes?
I literally
less?
had 15 minutes to get changed, get ready, and then get the kids out. I mean, it was mental.
I think for lots of us, you know, mums, that is all you have for yourself.
Yeah, and if
know?
you're like at work and you're going out to your
or you get called out, like someone says, "Oh, why don't you go out for drinks?" And you're like,
I'm not ready. So
what can you do?
This is how to kind of create a look where you feel fabulous and you're time starved.
Yeah,
but you know, you still want to look like you've made an effort.
Like you've made an effort. You've taken more than 10 minutes.
Yeah, so we hope you enjoy it.
Yeah, we're going to show you how.
We're going to show you how we've created these 2 looks.
Party ready looks. Here we go.
It started. Right.
Okay, my goodness. 10 minutes.
10 minutes to do your party makeup look.
Party makeup look.
For busy mums.
Okay, busy.
We've got like 3 minutes left.
3 minutes left.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
1 minute 40. There we are.
Oh my goodness me.
42 seconds left.
42
I can't see it.
seconds.
39
seconds left to go. I am actually quite impressed with myself being able to do a face that I would be worthy of going out to.
Yeah, look.
Within 10 minutes. I need
There you go.
to put my earrings in.
Put your earrings in.
Put my earrings in.
Before the timer goes. 25,
God.
26, 20. Oh no, I'm counting the wrong way.
Is it really? Is it
Yeah.
going?
It's not beeping
I'm
yet.
under
It's still got
pressure. I'm
time.
under pressure.
There we are.
Okay. Ready for the night out and the drinks after
Cheers.
work. Can't believe we've done a
Night
full
out.
face.
There you go. Party makeup ready.
Okay, talk me through what.
So I went with the base, which was PUR, the 4-in-1 Love Your Selfie.
Long
Long
it's
wear.
a great base
All
because it's
over. It's quite matte.
and a concealer and
Concealer is
powder
a
and
4-in-1,
yeah.
so it's doing everything. So
Yeah.
I didn't do primer, I didn't do anything.
No, it's great.
Just put the foundation on, took it up over, so under my eyes, on my eyelids, so you get that nice sort of flat
yeah, it's
look.
really good.
Then I went with the eyebrows, my NYX
Yeah, it's a good one.
tinted brow mascara, quick polish over there. And then
I like
what did I
done in
do?
your eyes.
So then I did the I did just a
Cold pencil.
pencil.
But you've gone
any
with
pencil.
no mascara,
So
which
no
I
mascara,
quite like.
But like gone into
Yeah.
my waterlines, smudged it out
Because
a
people
bit.
will think, oh, you've always got to have mascara.
Yeah.
But I quite like that look when you haven't got.
Yeah, so just
mascara
smudged
on.
it out, and then
It's all about the lip.
yes, it's all about the lip. A little bit of under eye BFFI from Trinny, just to
Where you get.
brighten up, because that's for me my issue. So just to brighten it up even more. Yeah, then the lip. I've done a pencil which is from the Natural collection,
Okay,
just to
all
give
over.
it a good to
Line it.
neat it, line it, and then over the top with the
matte?
L'Oreal matte paint.
Doesn't look
like
matte,
it's a
though.
lip
It's nice,
paint
semi
matte.
kind of
yeah.
matte. It's not too drying looking. It
So,
looks.
yeah, and then
hydrated.
just did the whole, just tidied it up with a
Yeah,
Q-tip.
it's like a pinky red, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a
Really
good
nice.
tone, and then finished off the cheeks
With a bit of Phoebe.
with a bit of Phoebe from Trinny.
Lovely. Boom, ready.
Boom.
Where's the champagne? So what I did was I used the concealer all over my face, which I have used before at work when I've forgotten my foundation. I was like,
Yeah.
oh. It's the Tarte
But it's a
Shape
great
Tape,
one, isn't it?
which is really good. It's like double duty beauty. It definitely is. You can use it everywhere. So I used that all over my face. I used this palette to bronze and sort of contour and everything at the same time.
Yes.
This is It Cosmetics.
That looks good.
You Sculpt. It's got like a whole where you put it kind of thing. I just really like
That
the
looks
colours.
really good.
Yeah,
Mm.
I even use these on my eyes sometimes.
Oh, nice. I like that.
When I just
when you
like
can use-
take that one thing. Blusher, I used Bobbi Brown. This is a brightening brick cranberry shade, which I quite like. Again, you can like pick out the separate ones and use them on your eyes if you want to.
Perfect.
Lip was Bobbi Brown cranberry.
Like that on you.
It's nice, isn't it? And I kind of smushed it out, like I went like that around the edges, so it wasn't too neat. So I haven't got a pencil or a brush with me, so I just blended it out. And then on my brows, I did these two, which are Benefit.
Oh yeah,
That's their Precisely brows. It's a real skinny
I like that
pencil to fill in a little bit. And then this, I suppose, is very much like your one. It's adding a bit of fibres to them, isn't it?
Yes.
I can't remember what it's called. It's rubbed off. Gimme Brow.
Gimme Brow, yeah.
Yeah. So I've got those. I think they're both shade 3. And then on my eyes, all I did was I've got a bit of mascara, but I just did one colour all the way up to all the way up to the top almost of Victory.
I love Victory.
And I like it all over like that. It just
I
suddenly
use
looks like a bit of an
Victory
evening
so
makeup,
much
doesn't it?
actually.
Yeah.
It's so nice and
One of
subtle,
my
and you
faves.
catch it in the lights, your eyes look amazing.
Yeah, it's gorgeous, isn't it?
Really
It's
nice.
Gold bronze,
really
isn't
gorgeous.
it? So I took that all the way up, and I think that instantly makes it look quite evening, doesn't it? Because you just take it all the way up to the
yeah, definitely.
brow bone. Mascara, boom, ready.
Done. got all mine to hand. But
I'm proud that we can get ready.
look, 10 minutes, in just under 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
It was under 10 minutes.
It was. I'm really proud.
Using these products.
Yeah.
So, party ready.
Party ready. Where is the party? Party ready.
Party ready.
Yeah.
Should we say party ready in under 10 minutes?
Yeah, party ready. Definitely.
Yeah.
I'm proud of myself.
Which is what I did last night.
Yeah. Pat on the back to both of us for doing it. Now we need a glass of Prosecco.
Glass of Prosecco. Or
Please.
coffee. Water. Yeah, Prosecco's best.
Have a look at when was our last makeup video we did? We did a really good one of
recreated
Kim K
the looks,
makeup
yeah.
and the Kate Bosworth. If you haven't seen it, watch it. We'll put a little link in or up here so you can watch it. That was a great one.
That was a good one. So there we are. We hope you enjoyed this. And don't forget to subscribe.
Yes, please.
Give us a thumbs up.
Comment below. Let us know you like the video. And
all of the usual. And
look forward to doing another video.
See you next week.
Bye.
Bye.